guys, how you can do importing and installing like Matplotlib and Seaborn. And also in this last video we explored a air quality data set using pandas, right? So we will bring those insights to a life by like visualizing trends and a pattern using Matplotlib and Seaborn. So why we need that? Because visualization is a like key in data analysis, like because it helps us to like understand pattern and like make more data driven decisions like quickly. So in this video we will covering like we will make like more like best data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Also, we will also make a line chart or like bar graph, histogram, like heat map, like to understand like air quality trends. Okay, we will also like see the pattern of pollution, like we will identify them and like across the locations and time. So let's deep dive into that, and we will start from the like how you can install and import Matplotlib using our Jupyter notebook. So we will cover on that in this video. So alright guys, as we discussed before, visualization is a key step in data analysis. So it helps us quickly identify trends and pattern and insights that numbers alone can't convey. So in this video, we will explore different types of visualizations to analyze air quality trends efficiently. So first of all, we need to install and import our Matplotlib in Seaborn. So for that, you need to write a command called pip install Matplotlib, and also you can also like type Seaborn together. Uh, Press shift plus enter. Okay, so after it's installed now. So now that these libraries are installed, and let's import them along with pandas and load our data set. So for that you need to write a Python code and write import pandas as pd, enter import matplotlib dot py plot as plt, import Seaborn as SNS. Also load. So yeah, we are going to load our data set. So because for that you can also like type df pd dot read. I think we done this before, so you have to just need to copy paste our upper yeah, this one. Just copy that and paste here. So now believe we forgot to add df dot head, so it will give you the output. So as you can see that we uh, we make our this all like we load our data set here and we import our panda matplotlib and Seaborn. So after that we need to create a line chart for like air pollution trends. So to understand how air pollution levels have changed over time, we will use the line chart. So this will allow us to visualize trends in our like air quality over different years and location. So for that you need to also need to write a plot dot figure figure size is equal to 12 and 6, because we are going to like we want figure in like months. SNS dot line plot data df x is equal to time period, y is equal to data value, data name marker is equal to 0. So also we also need to like plot dot title. We will give the title here, air quality trends over time. We have to be capitalized here, and we can also type like plot dot x, because we need label right in a x column. Label, we need a year here. Alright, I think this I forgot to add this. Plot dot for y label, we want pollution label, and plot dot let's say change into the title, give a title of air quality indicator, and also we are going to like plot grid, and we are going to vary. Alright guys, so as you can see, we get the data, we get the output here. So it shows the air quality trends over the time and pollution level here, and these all the information, these indicators here. So we are plotting air pollution levels over time. Like we get the grouped by the different air quality indicators. The how the like parameter allows us to like differentiate between indicators, making it easier to compare trends. So from this chart, we can see how pollution levels have fluctuated over the years. In some cases, they may be increasing, but while in others, policies might have helped reduce them. So these all the differentiation, as you can see, these all the like indicators in the graph, all the nitrogen dioxide and asthma, like emergency, annual vehicle, this all the data we get from this like line chart. Okay, so after that you can also create a bar chart for that. Like let's say you want to see most populated locations, so for that you can also like write it down some code like top location. Let's make the this here, and df dot we are going to add in a group. Okay, so grouped by, so geo place name, because we have the data of that. After that you can also write that data value dot mean, right, mean dot next largest, because we need the largest data for that. And also you can like write plot dot figure size is equal to, you want data like from 12 to 6, and also you have to make something like the bar plot, right? We need, because we need bar plot for that. X is equal to the top location dot values, and on the y side we need like top let's say top locations dot index, right? And also we have to like plate it is equal to red give the title here, top 10 most polluted locations, yeah, and close this all. Plot dot let's say you need x label uh, okay, okay. First of all, you can also close this, and inside that you need to write average pollution level, right? So pollution level, and also you have to write it down. Plot y label, location. Alright guys, so as you can see that this we get the information on the top 10 most polluted locations. So this from like Hybrid Bridge, like Hunts Point, Rotona, East Halren. This is all the data we get from our data sets, and we get this visualization. Like it's easier to understand like how like the most populated locations in from our data sets. So we can also see the average pollution level. So the highest have the High Bridge, Mauritania. So in this location, like it's most polluted, and it's like highest around 38 here, 38 level. Okay, so it's average, and from this visualization, we can now clearly see that like which locations have the worst air quality on average. It's helpful for policymakers and environmentalists working to reduce like pollution in these areas. So by doing this, we can also make decisions based on our visualization. So after that, we can also create a histogram to analyze pollution distribution. So now let's look at how pollution levels are distributed using a histogram. So this will help us understand whether pollution level are mostly low, high, or so like uh, see that let's spread out in evenly. So for that we need to write our code like plot dot figure figure size. Let's say I want to 10, 5, and SNS dot his plot df, and let's say I wanted the data value here, and close this. We want pins 30, and KDE is equal to true. We also want color. Let's say I want blue color. Alright, so you can also do that. Also add some because we are going to create a histogram. So for that you need some color, and so we also need to add title. Therefore, type plt dot title distribution of pollution levels. Plot dot so we are going to add label in a x and y side. So for a L label we are going to add pollution level, and for y side we are going to add y label frequency. Okay, frequency, and plot dot show. Alright, so after that you will get this data. Now you can see that we are using 30 beans to group pollution levels and adding a KDE uh, here, which is like kernel density estimation line to be better visualization the distribution. If we see a peak on the lower end, it means most pollution levels are low, and if we see the spread out distribution, it indicates a wide range of pollution level across different locations. So these types of histogram we can also make using our data sets. Now okay.